Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Gen Learning. If you're first time viewer on my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest update from Fusion Next Gen Learning. In today's demonstration, we will cover one more business requirement. Let's take an example. If business having certain requirements that once order processed by the source system or by the order entry specialist, it should not be amended by any user or user itself who has created the order. What it means? It means that user can only change the quantity, but he or she cannot add new items, new lines to the existing order. So whatever changes he has to do, he can do to the certain limit, like change the quantity, cancel the line, but cannot add another line at all. So in certain cases, you can provide a solution or achieve this solution via processing constant. So how to create the processing constant and achieve such functionality in Oracle Fusion? Let me walk you through first with the demo and then we'll cover the setup part of it. So I'll click on the order management, and within the order management, I will try to create the order. So let me create the order. So I am creating my order. So let me create order. So I have added one line item to my order. Let me choose the warehouse. Now, if you notice that I have added one line. So let me add few more quantity. Let's take example. I have added the 10 quantity. Now, after that, what you have to do, you have to submit the order. So let me submit the order. So I have submitted the order. So let's wait that orchestration process to be initiate. Once it's complete, we'll try to create a revision and we'll see that how the solution is restricting to the user that they cannot add the new line. So line moved to schedule. Now what I will do, I will try to create a revision. If I click on the create revision, you will see that I cannot enter any new line item. What I can do, I can amend the quantity. I can edit additional information or cancel the line. So I cannot enter new line item to the existing order. That order is already submitted. So this feature will control or limit the more accidental amendment to the original order, whatever business receives from the end customer. So let's take an example. If order entry specialist submitted or sales team submitted the order for an approval, so whoever final authority approved that order to be processed, and if that order already into submitted status, then no one can amend that particular order until unless there is a specific user defined in the system as an admin who can do all this certain amendment so that the order entry specialist cannot do the any amendment. Now, in order to achieve certain feature, what all setups you have to do. So we'll talk about. So if you notice that, so you have to go to the manage processing constraint. And within the manage processing constraint, what you have to do, you have the validation rule set already predefined. So that we have to use. Now what you have to do, you have to create one constraint. The constraint name as per your business, you can set the name. Then display name as per your business, you can define. Constraint entity, you have to choose order fulfillment line. And constraint operation will be create. Now, in the condition section, you have to enter the group number. Group number could be running number 1, 2, 3, or 10, 20, 30, like that. So, as per your business, you can define that nomenclature. Validation entity, you have to choose the order header. And validation rule set. So, we have seen within the validation rule set that is already there. So, you have to utilize that validation rule set in order to achieve your functionality or the solution. Scope will be any, and record set will be header default record set. And the message you can put, you are not authorized to add new lines to submitted order. Please contact your admin. So you can put that message. This message can be customized based on your business, and you can enable these two checkbox. If you are not enabling, then it won't be effective. And you have to click on save. Once you save that constraints, you have to click on the generate package. Once you click on the generate package, so there is a one ESS job will trigger in the backend. And once that constraint ESS job will complete it successfully, then your constraint will be valid and effective immediately. Now, if you notice that there is another option called applicable rules. So you can implement certain constant for specific roles only. You don't want it to be implemented across the business, across all the roles, across all the users. So you can limit for certain order entry specialist, salesperson, or the business user. So for that, you can create custom role and you can associate within the constant role so that whoever having this particular custom role, that particular user cannot amend any order if it's submitted after all checks. This role is not required you to associate any privilege. You can just create a custom role. You can add the name. So let me show you that role also. So if you go back, so let me submit it again and I'll go back and I'll show you the roles. So basically, you can create custom role. So if you see that in this role, I have given only role name, role code, and role category. And if you see that the functional security policies, data security policies, role hierarchy, nothing I have given, system will take automatically the role name within the role hierarchy. So whatever the name you are defining in the basic information, system will take care and will populate automatically, and you can associate to your user and then click on next and submit it. This is how you can create and restrict, validate, or apply your processing constant to the specific user. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Next Gen Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.